Welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk about how can you clear cache from iPhone. Clearing the cache on your web browser and certain apps can free up space on your iPhone and improve speed and performance. To clear cache on Safari, open the Setting app. Scroll down to Safari. Scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. You can also clear cache and preserve history and cookies in Safari. Scroll down and tap Advanced, then Website Data. Once here you can either tap Edit and remove individual sites, or you can tap to remove all website data. To clear cache on your iPhone apps, you'll need to offload them. Offloading an app will free up storage space the app uses while still keeping its documents and data. If and when you reinstall the app, your data will be there. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down to General and tap iPhone Storage. Select the app you want to offload. And tap Offload App. Select Offload App from the pop-up window to confirm your choice. You can also delete the app if no longer needed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.